Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Colin. In today's episode, listen, we are reacting to Dinosauria Volume 1 and Volume 2. We already watched Hunted by Moonlight, and it was, oh my God, bro. Breathtaking, mind-blowing. The music was I can't give it enough credit. So I decided, let's go see what Dead Sound is all about. Check out all his animations, and I've had multiple of you say, go check out the Dinosauria series. So with that being said, we're gonna see it from its start, the inception, all the way until where we're at today. So yeah, you're getting everything. I know we already reacted to it, but you're gonna get all of that in one video. All right, part one. This is the very first. It's Old Buck. Old Buck must be an old Triceratops. And excuse my ignorance when it comes to dinosaurs, okay? I need y'all in the comments to bless me with your infinite wisdom and knowledge. Damn, he got scars. All right, I'm gonna pipe down. I don't want to just yap over this beautiful soundtrack, bro. Let me get it to 1080, bro. Let me get it up to 1080 because it was looking a little jank. Damn. Bro, he's seen some battle. He's scarred up. His horn is a little, you know. I just recently watched this YouTube video, and it was talking about like the collection of dinosaur bones, like private collectors, man. And I don't know, I have my thoughts about it, but at the same time, I want to be one of those guys, but I don't make enough money for that. Damn, low-key beautiful. Like, he's beautiful, man. The texture, the tones, the colors, the sounds. Dead Sound been doing this for a very long time. Old man said, let me shake the rust off. I'm not dead yet. You ever noticed how like some dinosaurs have beaks? Like the Triceratops has a freaking beak. It looks like a bird beak. Or even like a tortoise, bro. Oh. Oh, shoot. T-Rex coming too? Damn, did he stab him in the gut? Or no, he's just gonna flip him. No blood on the horn. I want to know the story behind why his horn is chipped. Oh, shoot, okay. I was about to say, they must see the T-Rex. T-Rex just stalking. Ooh. See, that's that experience. That's that experience and wisdom. So I might be old, but I've fought a few battles. Oh my God. Oh, that's bloody, bro. That's a death blow. Oh no, they got a pack of them. Don't tell me that's the end. Okay. Oh. Yo, Dead Sound, are you making the music? Where are you getting this music from, brother? He might be old, but he still got it. He still got the battle. A short film by David James Armsby. David James Armsby, bro. You might be my new favorite person. You make the best dinosaur stuff, brother. Truly beautiful. Okay. I thought we were going to see an attack by the T-Rexes.
Hello, this is
But we'll get to the next one.
Thank you for
All right, so this is number 2 in the Dinosauria series. This is Our Frozen Past. Oh, I'm excited for this one, brother. Old Buck was cool though. Like, I like the, you know, he seen battle, bro. You know, scars heal over time, but My man is experienced, a vet. You saw what he did. Stuck him, bro. What kind of dinosaur is this? This looked like a feathered raptor, brother. It's probably not, but it's giving me the way its arms, the way its legs, its head shape. That's the vibes I'm getting. Help me with my dinosaur name knowledge. Could you imagine being around when dinosaurs roamed the earth? Terrifying stuff, honestly. I personally wouldn't want to be around. But would be very, very cool to see in real life. Like, it'd be awesome. You know what? I did it again. Is this HD? It is. All right, perfect. My bad, y'all. My bad, y'all. Let me get that off the screen. I apologize. You know, so in my one of my previous dinosaur videos, I posed a question to the community as you guys were watching. Hopefully you can help me understand. And, you know, I started doing some research, but my question was, man, how the heck, outside of just the skeletal structure, how the heck did they know the skin texture, whether they had feathers or not? And then I got to thinking, like, bro, some of these things were like trapped in, like, you know, we got like the La Brea tar pits, right? And I'm not saying that they had dinosaurs trapped in there, but some of these items were well preserved, and the fossils, you're able probably to see the feathers, the skin texture, indentation, all that good stuff, right? So I'm assuming that's how we've been able to, scientists have been able to take that information and then come up with what they believe dinosaurs look like. Oh, the music cool. Oh, the music's cool. Look at the little babies. So this must be the mama. Daddy not around. Don't know why, but, you know, hey, maybe he's out hunting. You know, maybe they don't have that type of conventional life. It's not humans. I'm not gonna make a joke. It's a serious video. Honestly, low-key, look like a big old chicken, brother. Look like a big old chicken. Oh, yeah, he's smelling. He's like, yup. Damn, he fits in that hole? Now y'all cornered. Oh, okay. I'm scared to tussle. Hey, get your big butt out my hole. This my hidey hole. Oh, shit. Not the baby. I did not expect that. Oh, there's another one. Get your kid back. Call it wraps, bro. The baby gone, bro. Nah. You stay back there, young dude. Stay back there. Oh, shoot. You're done. You're done. He's cooked. Oh crap. Oh crap. Look at that one. He's just eating, bro. Oh, she calling for help. Oh, that's horrible. Oh, it's the circle of life. I can't help but think about that, bro. We're just seeing nature in its natural habitat. I can only imagine. I myself have children, bro, so I couldn't even imagine the pain. Where the squad at? Oh shoot! Wait. That's like they coexisting, so they speak the same language. She over here calling the homies reinforcements. I actually love that, bro. These look like evolved Triceratops minus the horn, right? But their head, you don't even know how to describe it, but their skull, bro. Man, RIP, bro. They treated him like he was a little snack. I mean, he literally was a little snack. And look at her. She's looking for her other baby. That's actually very sad. Damn. Gut wrenching, bro. Interesting noises. They're obviously communicating. Frozen pass, bro. Damn. That's all I gotta say. Damn. All right, so this one is a more ancient. Yup, making sure it's got the right, I keep doing it before, bro. A more ancient spring. Everybody just kind of lounging, snoozing. Did dinosaurs hibernate, bro? Is it springtime now? Every animal's gonna wake up from their slumber? I ain't gonna lie. I kind of want to be doing the same thing right this second. To get up and then wake everybody else up, like, hey, get it together, bro. Is it safe to assume that they were hibernating and that now it is time for them to, awake and start living a little bit, right? Weather's a little bit warmer. Or was it always hot during this time period? I would assume the Earth had some form of seasons, Doesn't seem too far-fetched. Once again, I'm by no means am I an expert, nor will I even pretend to know like I know everything. So I'm asking y'all because y'all tend to give some good information. I just think dinosaurs look super cool, bro. Honestly. Any of y'all playing Jurassic World Evolution 3? It dropped like a couple weeks. Damn! Predator doing predator things. He's like, yeah, I'm gonna leave y'all alone. Now, do you think they were killing? Do you think they hunted for fun? Like, just kill to kill? I mean, or was it strictly for survival, bro? And I know these questions are probably impossible to answer, but I'm, just posing what's on my mind. Damn, I love this this version of the. I don't know if they're Triceratops, but that's what they look like to me. I could be dead wrong. He's saying R.I.P. to his homie that he saw murdered earlier. Okay, no, that definitely looks like. Okay, no. I was about to say that looks like a kill for fun. No, he brought the food home. I know this is gonna sound crazy, but like, even though it's aggressive, right? There's death, the circle of life. I mean, that's that's nature. But like, imagine how simple life would be lived if we lived that way. Not saying we go out and killing each other because we're humans, right? That's not what we need to be doing. Just hunting animals, that's a different story. But like, I just mean without worrying about bills, without worrying about, like living just to live, bro. Not within the constraints of man-made created burdens. You know what I'm saying? Imagine if man, essentially where I'm trying to get to is if man lived where everybody was able to enjoy life and everybody was able to freely have the things that people need. That sounds like utopia, never going to be achieved. I'm yapping. I apologize. Let me stop. Oh. Weave. Oh, okay. I thought he was gonna run right into it. Oh, they were just simply protecting their babies. They thought their babies were under attack. Oh, they were getting back to their people. What do you think they was doing with them, with the pieces of wood? Are they herbivores? They eating the wood? So now he's not alone. They got the wood and the rock. That must be male and female, bro. Just my thoughts. I might be wrong. A more ancient spring. Another beautiful one, bro. But now we are on to sea and sky. Ooh, we got some pterodactyls. Probably not pterodactyls, who knows, but that just brain instantly goes there. Excuse my ignorance. Those are definitely, I don't think those are pterodactyls. I'm definitely dumb. But ancient sea animals, ancient sea dinosaurs, crazy to me, bro. Because they're freaking massive. Could you imagine if those existed in today's time? I mean, we got giant whales, right? But like, I personally don't even like the ocean. It's beautiful, but it's scary. It's terrifying. Oh, they just waiting. Low-key remind me of pelicans. Damn, he got a crown. He regal. That must be like the king, bro. You know what that one reminds me of? It reminds me of the one from the dinosaur from Jurassic World Rebirth when they were trying to scale down that mountain. And it was like, oh my God, bro. And I think it ate like a black person. Shout outs to the bird eating people and stuff. It's diving to get to find the food. Sharks. Don't tell me my boy gonna come up with a whole shark. Okay, nah, he just can't. He got a trout, you know. I think trout don't exist in the ocean like that. Oh, damn. Oh, no. Oh, no. Go, brother. Go, brother. Why are you still looking? He about to eat you. To be able to thrust out the air and fly has to be insane. Oh, the sharks are coming after him. Oh, no, never mind. Never mind. Big boy is. He said, yum, chicken wing. Woo, barely. Just barely. I mean, his wings are the size of like the entire body, bro. Now they all, okay, I gotta see one of them. One of them has to get eaten. Please, please let one of them get eaten. Oh, I was hoping that I saw one of them get eaten, bro. Sea and Sky, a short film by David James Armsby. Another beautiful piece of work as usual. All right, so we are at the last tyrant. I believe this is the end of volume 1, but there is one more for volume 2. Technically 2 episodes, I believe, but we're gonna watch. This video will encompass from the very first one until the latest posted, so I'm excited. Oh no, is that the comet that destroyed him? Look at the little birdie, bro. What you trying to get into a big old egg for? You can't carry it. What you gonna woodpecker your way into the egg? About to get eaten, bro. Your little chicken nugget. I am curious. I'm assuming he used like real animal noises, right? And so like what animals outside of the birds, but like for the different dinosaurs, hear me out. Let me just try to get my science on, because I don't know. Based on the shape of their head, I would assume that's how they're determining the noises that these animals make. And so based on that, you can take similar animals, right? Today's animals, and then give them somewhat like the same sound. I would assume. I have no idea. Maybe I'm wrong, but that's just, you know, my most educated guess that my brain could come up with. I am by no means a dinosaur expert, but that sound like pigs, bro. Sound like pigs and maybe a donkey or a horse or something. But they're all very fitting. I mean, it's the local watering hole. Everybody needs water. Water sustains life. Said, mind y'all business. I'm just drinking right now. Damn, that is a big boy. He's seen battle too. Look at all the scars and the marks on his face, his body. He just walked away, bro. They were all on, you know, the fence, slightly worried. I would be too. Now, I know my questions are probably crazy, but I am also curious. How did we determine whether, like, oh, this is a male version of the dinosaur, this is a female version of the dinosaur? Oh no, it's about to be the end of it all, bro. Look at them. They're just looking at the stars, the sky, and they're about to be wiped the freak out. Oblivious to what's to come. All right, they ain't too oblivious because they looking very hard like, yo, what the hell is that thing flying here? Okay, it wasn't nothing. Oh no, never mind. It was absolutely something. Damn. And just like that, it ends. Terrifying. So that could very well happen to us. Would we be able to stop it? Maybe. Maybe not. Dang, R.I.P., bro. That was mass extinction. everything, everywhere, all at once, except for him. Trees look wiped out. So even if he is still alive, what he gonna eat? So some life has still clinged on, but for the majority of it, many lives have been lost. Oh, bro, not the little baby. Damn. Oh, that's hurt. Oh, all his homies, bro. The colony is done. Oh, he dead too. Damn. Oh, wow. Full circle moment, bro. Look at the bones. From that sprouted new life, and as the earth and soil grows over it, bro, this is how fossils are created. Sheesh. Modern day. Yeah. See, remember earlier I was saying they got beaks like birds be having beaks. And look at humans, bro. Thriving, surviving for now. For now. Look at they distant relatives, man. A whole buck. OG. Oh man, took a life like it was nothing. And the furry little chickens unfortunately lost a life. And here they created new life. They escaped narrowly with their lives. Oh! That's bone, big dog. That's bone, you biting bone. 3v1. Y'all ever seen dinosaurs and like dinosaur bones? Y'all ever been to the museum and seen them, bro? Absolutely crazy. And to know that those aren't even necessarily complete skeletons. Did y'all know that? Man. Last Tyrant. Now this is the end of volume 1, but I do want to include the other volumes. So we gonna go right over to volume 2 and enjoy a few more episodes. If you haven't seen your dinosaur bones at your local museum, bro, you got to get to a museum that has them. I promise it's amazing. This is called Terrible Lizards. The first episode to volume 2. I'm excited for this. We've already watched Hunted by Moonlight, but y'all gonna get that right after this anyways. Them things are hideous. What kind of lizard is that? What is that, you guys? It looked like a dog, low key. I would put one of these on a leash. It's giving me Mad Bowser vibes. Oh, Goomba looking, you know, from the original Mario Brothers movie, John Leguizamo movie. The movie was terrible, but it was amazing at the same time. Loved it as a kid. What animal is that noise is like actually from? What animal is that from? What real life animal? They ain't recording dinosaurs. They don't exist. Uh-oh. Nope. That's one of your relatives, brother. You better get out of there. That is one of your relatives. Oh, he think he about to get a snack. You eating somebody's bed, bro. Oh, there's the egg. Oh, hell no. He got so scared, bro. Get out of there. Run. Take the egg and run, bro. It's a little midnight snack. Looks like a monitor lizard, honestly. Now you trapped. Oh no. It's crazy because it's kind of got a snake mouth. The mouth gives me mad snake vibes. Oh, yep, dead. That sounds like a squealing pig. Oh, he's not dead. But he is gushing. My boy got thumbs? They said, feed me, feed me. Look at the one that has the shell on the top of its head. That's so cute, bro. Oh yeah, he cooked. He cooked. You know, I might sound crazy saying this, but could you imagine what a dinosaur steak tastes like, bro? Especially like a younger one. The meat probably mad juicy and tender, right? Oh, he's still alive. He's still alive. He just taking a nap. Oh. He trying to escape. Oh no, he want to fight. Oh, they rotating the dinosaurs. Now we got Tyrannosaurus Rex. Bro, if you don't get your butt about my house, that's what I would tell him. If you don't get your butt about my house, attacking me and my kin, my children's. Get your mans. They're like, come on, Steve, get out of there. I'm coming to get what I came for. Oh, yo, that is a nasty. Hey, that move is crazy. Took the spike on his hand, what I thought was a thumb, and stabbed him up. Hand-to-hand combat for reals. They just protecting their baby, bro. Okay, he can respect it. All right, I'm a bounce, bro. Yeah, skedaddle. You think it, I mean, it doesn't look like it could have went too deep. Pierced vital organs or nothing. They both tired. That was a long fight, bro. He said, mama. See? Are they both dead? Oh no. Oh, he didn't take no breath, bro. They both gone. Wow. Oh no, okay. Definitely not. Still there. Surviving, thriving. Can we just take a moment, one moment to appreciate the sound, bro? I don't care what nobody says. The sound is, oh man, it makes it so much more emotional and adds so much life to this animation. Sound design is so crucial and important. I mean, yeah, the animation we know is top tier. We're looking at, this is next level stuff. And we getting it for free on YouTube. That's crazy. Oh, he's not dead either. Oh, just banged up, bruised up, you know, needed to rest. Ain't no bad blood. Look, he ain't even trying to face, he ain't even bothered with them. They just look, make eye contact. All right, bro, peace. I'll go about my day. You go about your day. My bad for coming in your territory. Oh, that's an ugly mug, bro. Back to the watering hole. Just existing. Peacefully coexisting. Until they aren't. Until they aren't. But you gotta realize he's outnumbered, you know? Terrible lizards, bro. Ivan Dutch, bro, you killed it on the music. David, you already know you killed it on the animation. You already know. And then there's just one more. I love me a good animated short film. This one's a quick 11-minute banger. Whoa, 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 whoa. He got arms, bro. Wait, time out. It's not like a slithering snake. He's got arms. You see them freaking arms? So snakes used to have arms. Uh-oh. Oh, damn. This is beautiful. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wait up, bro. Look at the scenery. Look at the little pops of orange or pink. I'm going to go with pink. Look at the pops of purple and green. Oh my God. It's nightlight. It is nighttime. I love the moon. I love it all. Let's go. Oh, those are some eggs? Or is this mushrooms? Fungi. What kind of dinosaur is this, y'all? Long neck. Ooh, he's stalking. You see the way he blends in? Honestly, bro, me and my wife, we've been talking. We want to move to Montana and Hell's Creek and dig up dinosaur bones, bro. I think that's the move, bro. I want to become a paleontologist. But like, not a paleontologist that went to school for it. I want to be a legitimate bone excavator. Bone digger upper. Uh-oh. What is that, bro? Low-key look like a pangolin, bro. Pangolin? Okay. This is a beautiful short film. The sound design is on 10. Oh my God, I'm actually pumped. Because it conveys so much emotion. With the sound design, listen, we're gonna get to it, but I gotta break it down because I want to get my thoughts out. The way the all that stuff, bro, it conveys emotion, and you need that type of that type of sound design, that type of sound effects, whatever you want to call it, when you have non-talking individuals on the screen, right? We don't know what they're feeling, we don't know what they're going through, but this gives us an idea. It helps me. It paints the feelings and the emotion. I'm bad with words, I know. He said, yo, go on get, bro, skedaddle, I'm trying to eat. Oh man, the world is beautiful. Okay. A little whimsical. This is nature, bro. You know what I'm saying? This is how it was. Look, a brother and sister, maybe sibling quarrel. They just playing. He said, let me get a snail snack. Honestly, the sound that they're making sounds like when you're trying to scratch like the inside of your ear, like going like that, bro. You know what I'm saying? Y'all never did that? Does a black people thing? Okay. Are those bones? Oh shoot. They in somebody's hunting territory, bro. Look they're telling, bro, get back. Bro, get back. He's like, what, man? I'm just trying to get me a little snack. I'm not going anywhere where I see a lot of decrepit bones if I'm a creature. But I'm also smart. I don't know how smart these things are. Oh, yeah, he's dead, bro. Look it's a rotting carcass. Did you see? Time out. Do you see that, bro? Look, it's a rotting carcass. They are about to be in trouble. He's apprehensive, but he's following along. Woo, we got a predator, y'all. We are on his land. And look at the music. Uh-oh. Look at them big claws. Oh, shoot. Name that dinosaur, y'all. Oh, there's two. Oh yeah, these guys are cooked. These guys are cooked. My man said, stay back from my meat. Pause. Oh, he's bigger. He looks bigger. The crazy thing is they just watching, bro. Watch a third one pops up behind him. Oh no, this branch is gonna snap. Run, bro. Okay, they ducked. They're smart. They're trying to hide. My man said fresh meat, delicious. Why they got a mohawk though? I do. Ooh, where'd he go? Oh, where'd he go? Oh, he's behind y'all. Turn around, bro. He's behind. Sprint. No. Run, bro. Run, bro. Don't look around for him. Skedaddle. Watch, he's gonna be hiding in the mushrooms. Look at him. Look at him. He's right there. Do you see him? Oh, y'all cooked. Run! Why did he look at him, bro? Ooh. Go around. Yep. It's the circle of life. We're witnessing the circle of life, bro. The fine dance between predator and prey. Oh no, they're not gonna be able to get up. Damn. Bro, you guys gotta figure out another way. One help the other. Oh! That's your bro. Your bro's gone. R.I.P. And then there was one. Oh no. Don't move. Damn. This was a really good video, bro. This was a phenomenal short story. I feel moved by this, honestly, bro. You know, you came out with a little, war wound, a little scratch. Oh no. He's gonna lead them back to his house, bro, to his humble abode. Like, what happened? Where's the other one? What happened to you, bro? You don't even want to know, man. I don't even want to talk about it. Depressed, bro. Oh, I told you he was coming. I told you, bro. Squealing like a freaking pig. Ooh. Tail whip. Oh, that's a T-Rex. Oh, no, it's not a T-Rex. My bad, bro. My bad. I got excited, bro. Is that a Brachiosaurus? Brachiosaurus got a long neck. But it's not, though, because Brachiosaurus is a full four-legged walking creature. I don't know what type of long neck that is, bro. But it's a long neck, bro. Medium neck? Bro, say thank you. It's the least you could do. You almost got the whole crew killed. Hey, the music though. Woo-hoo. The music was fire. Oh, we not done. That's an ugly little freaking flying lizard, brother. Oh, that's him right there. I thought he was about to be dead. way, one made it out alive. The other, unfortunately, wasn't so lucky. Hunted by Moonlight, a short film by David James Armsby. So that is all of them from the original series until now. What can we see or expect from Dead Sound? Oh, fire, absolute fire. So if you guys enjoyed this long video, let me know down in the comment section below. Big shout out to Dead Sound. Forget about liking my video. Go like and subscribe to Dead Sound because bro, man is like putting out full on amazing, free might I add. We are not paying a cent for this amazing these amazing videos. So go show him some love, subscribe to his channel. Be sure to like, link to all his videos are in the description below. With that said, man, I will catch you guys in tomorrow's episode. Peace.